But Riley doesn't know when to stop, which is great for me because I keep predicting this thing to go to 113, and it's proving my point. Today, we bounced off the top of the bullish pendant right here, this green line, and we went all the way back up to the prior resistance that we had been met at over here the last day or two. Pretty much all week, it would hit this 107 area and then bounce right back down, hit 107, bounce back down. Well, today, it broke through the prior resistance levels and has created this area right here, which could become our next leg of support. As you see, we do have a convergence zone over here toward the end of September, but we're already above that area. So what's next? Well, it could bounce around right here between 107 and 110. It could fall back to this purple line down here and, run up this way, which would make it still a bullish idea, but it would take longer to get to my target. I don't see it stopping. We have FOMC coming next week. We're expecting at least a 0.25 to 0.5 rate cut. That's only going to be bullish for this. And I'm seeing 113 easily being met by next week at this rate. As long as we can keep this 107 level as our next support leg, it's going to jump to 110 after that. I'm fairly certain we're going to have a drop to this midline, mid 106s tomorrow. At opening, and at that point, I think I might ladder some different dates and calls on this, as like a step up, one next week, expiration, 2 weeks, 3 weeks out, and then go from like a 107, 109, 110, something like that, just to see how this thing goes. But so far, this is working exactly the way that I predicted it to work. Landed right here on that bullish pendant roof or ceiling. Big volume spike pushed to the next day up today, just like this. Here's another one right here, midday. So yeah, keep an eye on O'Reilly because we still have a lot of room to go.